quality. Foremost, this is a word that carries great significance, often used to describe well-designed and superior performing high-dollar purchases. It inspires greater confidence.
Here, at Guardsmark, the word quality is synonymous with our service and our people. It is our attention to detail, combined with the desire to be the best at what we do, that gives meaning to.
Today, we're going to discuss how to build a personnel file folder for newly hired employees. Here, you will note the documents as they are accurately positioned on the left of the personnel file, following a specified order, as well as the right, also in specified order. Details will also be shared, involving the content referred to as paperclip items. Now, let's get started.
First and foremost, we must properly identify the official personnel file, noting the Guardsmark crest. Once open, we will begin by identifying the items designated for each side. It is extremely important that the documents slated for the left side of the file be positioned in the order as shown. The same procedure applies for the right side as well. A 2-hole punch, as seen here, will be needed. The holes will be created to accommodate various prong fasteners at the top of the file folder on the right side. Common practice is to start with an up-to-date copy of the W-4 form, ensuring that the year is current. Noting that the full page is not needed, simply remove the top half and tape the remaining lower portion onto the left side. Next, thoroughly review the most updated version of the information sheet, also placing it on the left side of the file. Remember, due to varying state requirements, some applications may differ slightly. Here, we have what's referred to as an E-Verify document. Once confirming employment authorization, it too will be placed on the left side of the personnel file. The E-Verify, as part of the I-9 process, requires valid identification. Acceptable ID can be determined by viewing the back of the I-9 form. Seen here are the two most common forms of identification used as part of the E-Verify and I-9 process. They too should also be placed on the left. Before positioning the current I-9 document, it is extremely important to give special attention to the highlighted areas circled in red. Common errors involving dates and signatures may result in unnecessary fines. After careful review, position the form atop the copy of IDs. Last but not least, the final document to be placed on the left is the official employment application. The information requested within the booklet should be reviewed in great detail. The employment and education content presented within this booklet will be discussed at greater length near the end of this session. As a reminder, never use a light-duty stapler when securing the aforementioned items. Instead, a larger size, heavy-duty model will often perform best.
Now, let's move over to the right side of the file.
Most branches tend to include branch-specific material, referred to here as miscellaneous. The documents, often requiring the employee's signature, provides important information and should be positioned first.